Hello, is this Mr. James? This is Elizabeth calling from Sunshine Investment. Yeah, I am pleased to inform you that you just won the sum of 50,000 euros. Yes, 50,000 euros is all yours. Pause. Why would someone call you to inform you that you just won 50,000 euros? And secondly, have you heard of Sunshine Investments before? And thirdly, why are you already calculating what you would do with the money when you don't even know how you got it? Did you play the lottery? Did you work for the company and then they are suddenly paying you back? Or is the company, out of the goodness of their heart, suddenly just giving you 50,000 euros for nothing? Think about that and let's get into the video. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Femilayo from Beth Media, and today we will be diving into a crucial topic: scams. I made a video recently talking about how you can protect your company from scams, and to my surprise, people are still getting scammed daily. So I decided, why not make a part 2? So share this video with your loved ones, with people working, with your grandparents, because scam is still on the rise. With cyber criminals becoming more sophisticated, it is essential to arm yourself with the knowledge on how to spot them and avoid these scams. In this video, I'll be talking about 3 different types of scams. The first one is phishing scam. Phishing scams is when you receive an email that impersonates a legitimate organization and they try to trick you into revealing sensitive information. The second type of scam is the Nigerian prince scam. You have probably heard of this classic scam. It's when you receive an email promising you of a large sum of money in exchange for a small initial payment. You might receive an email that you're going to inherit $150 million if only you give them $1,000. And number 3, we have tech support scam. I believe the elderly ones usually fall from these scams is when fraudsters pose as tech support representative to gain access to your computer and then they steal valuable information or steal money directly from your account. And then we also have lottery scams. Email claiming that you've won the lottery that you've never entered and asking for payment or personal information to claim your prize. What are the signs to look out for? Number 1, generic greetings. Scammers often use generic greetings like "dear customer" instead of addressing you by your name. But also note that some scammers, it is easy to get your name now online, especially if you're on social media platform. So a scammer might not now use generic greetings, but even call you both your first and your last name, because that information is now publicly available. So you have to be careful. Number 2, urgency. Emails that create a sense of urgency, pressuring you to act quickly without thinking. If you get an email or a call and then the person is asking you to do something and you have to do it immediately, then you have to ask yourself, why can't I do it tomorrow? Why the sense of urgency? And why don't I have to tell anybody about this? Why do I have to keep this a secret if it's a legitimate transaction? Number 3, spelling and grammar mistake. Poorly written emails with spelling and grammar errors can indicate a scam. So take note of that. And then suspicious link. Be cautious of emails that contain suspicious links and attachments, as they may lead to phishing websites and malwares. What are some real life examples of these scam emails? Example 1, an email claiming that you won a lottery that you did not participate in, and then they're asking you for your personal information or payment details in order to claim the prize. Example 2, a phishing email disguised as a bank notification, prompting you to click a link in order to verify your account details. Protect yourself. Do not fall for this type of scams. What are then the tips to protect yourself from scam? Always check the sender emails to ensure that it's legitimate. Over links. I keep saying that do not click on any link in an email that you're not sure of the sender. If someone is sending you a link to go to their website, it is preferable to go to Google directly and search for the company's name and then click on the link from Google rather than clicking on the link in your email. And do not open any attachment in your email that you are not sure about. Number 3, keep software updated. Regularly update your antivirus software and operating system to protect against security vulnerabilities. Number 4, trust your instinct. If an email seems too good to be true, then it is not true. If something seems so exaggerated, like you winning $150 million, it is not true. Do not fall for it. Then educate others. Spread awareness. There are so many blogs online of people writing their experiences and putting samples of the emails or the calls that they got. Also share your experience because you don't know who you might be helping. By familiarizing yourself with the signs of scams and implementing preventive measures, you can safeguard your personal information and financial security online. Remember, staying informed is the first line of defense against cyber threats. That is it for this video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and I'll see you next week, Friday. Bye for now.